Good morning, students. With this class, we will start a new series of NCERT. So, what we'll do it? We will do cover chapter by chapter in each videos. So, today we are going to cover class 6 geography first chapter, the Earth in solar system. How this name solar system came to its existence. Now, solar is divided from sol, and sol in Roman means sun god. As a result, all the words that will formed sol like solar denotes those related to sun. So what we will study in this chapter, the solar system, the major elements of solar system and the earth is particular. Before we started all these, let's understand a broad picture. Most of the students are bit confused. Solar system denotes those related to the sun, what we will study in this chapter. Earth particular. Before we started with all these, let's understanding a broad picture. Most of the students a bit confused. If I talk about this universe made of numerous galaxies. Now galaxy can be of many types. The galaxy in which we live is Milky Way, or we call it Akash Ganga. Within this galaxy, let's say we have the solar system, or in the words we can say the star system that exists, and one kind of stars is sun, and we have the solar system which the elements of universe. So you have a galaxy. What is galaxy? Galaxy is a gravitationally bond system of stars, interstellar gaps, dust, dark matters. For example, galaxy solar system March 2016 most distant galaxy Z and Z11 discovered in Hubble classification. In Hubble's classifications, there are many types of galaxies like elliptical galaxy, spiral galaxy, Andromeda, and Subaru galaxies. We talk about galaxies which contains solar system and have under the Hubble's classifications we have to do study three elements categories. Spiral galaxy is the most common you have in the galaxy. We have celestial bodies like sun, moon, objects in night sky to the solar system. Celestial bodies can be two types, which is amid-light. The bodies of amid-light classified as star. The second is do not emit light. The bodies which do not emit light, good example of planet. Now let's talk about the celestial bodies here. So here you have sun, which is a star. Around this star you have the numerous planets that revolves. So you have 8 major planets that we talked, and beyond the quicker planet we have the Pluto. Will understand the details between Mars and Jupiter, a kind of belt create. Sun is one of the star. We have a numerous stars that present in the solar system, or the kind of stars in solar system, and the arrangement is defined in the certain manner which is known as constellation. The North Star is also known as pole stars. It indicates the directions. When we talk about the planet, the word planet discovered by Greeks, and it was named Planetia. The Planetia Greeks means the wanderers. So these objects considered the wandering into the sky. When we look at now, we talk about constellations. There are officially 88 constellations that exist. This was declared by the International Astronomical Unit of these 12 are the constellations based on which you have 12 of located of signs, and these are the shapes of the 12 major constellations. So besides this, you have the Ursa Major and Ursa Minor, which are the two major constellations that exist. Now the yellow section of the Ursa Major is also known as the Big Dipper of a big bear. This is the shape of the bear, so it also known as the big bear. So these stars are formed in the Saptarishi Mandal, as we call it in Hindi. Now beyond this you have a tail, and at the tail you have the brightest stars, which is known as Elliot, and this is the brightest stars in the Ursa Major. However, we have Polaris, which is the brightest stars in Ursa Minor and also considers one of the brightest stars. Students, I hope that you understand the chapter very well. This is the part 1 of the chapter. So if you have any queries, any comments, then write down in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.